Hi guys, I just want to show you what I've been talking to our members about here at Trading College, which is quite, it's going to be a very interesting time on this German DAX over the next couple of weeks, because what I'm seeing here, we've had a pro trend system buy, which is a green one here, 18575, I think that is. And we pushed higher, we're up a few hundred points here already. And we're actually going to be breaking to new highs. So we've got a high here at 18,935, and the German DAX is just about to break above that area. That is a key area. That's all-time highs here in the DAX. Now, when you do make a new high on price, you want your momentum indicators to be making a new high as well. Just like we made a new high here. Indicator was high up, higher than the previous peak. That's fine. That's a strong market move, strong trend. But at this move, as we break this high, we're way down. Now that is extreme. That is 45 degrees. 45 degrees is key for reversals. So as we break this new high, we do have a target of 19,275 here on the pro trend system. Could easily get up to that area, but if we get above there, watch out guys, this could be in trouble, because we could see a serious move down from this area. We've been long the market because we've been green and up since the sell-off, which has been great. We've had a lovely long trade, pushed higher. Nasdaq's been long, Dow's been long. It's been a bit of a slog and sideways, not easy to trade. But watch out for this German DAX, because sentiment is quite strong here that we're going to push higher and keep on going. I doubt we are going to keep on going, guys. So watch out. This is a dangerous place to be in the German DAX. If you're long, which we are, because of the daily buy signal, which has been absolutely beautiful. Our buy signal was at 17,800, over 1,000 points profit on the daily chart. But it's the weekly over the long term here that is either an opportunity for you, or you've got to be really careful. Okay, because when I see, and I've traded divergences for many years, when you see that's a divergence there, and okay, we get a little pullback for 4 or 5 weeks, but this is an extreme divergence, guys. That's a warning sign. That's a red flag. Is it an opportunity or not? For me, opportunity time, exciting time. Want to wait for the PTS to turn red on those smaller time frames to start the move off. Could be a very big move indeed. Okay, hope it helps. Speak to you soon.